I am a huge cookie lover. I guess that isn't a surprise since I didn't get a body like this by eating celery sticks. So when I tell you the cookies that our test kitchen director Patty came up with the other day blew me away, I'm not kidding. Really, I was in awe with how good the shortbread cookies were even before they were topped with the caramel and the chocolate. So let me show you what she did before you try to reach through the TV and grab one. She started by making a buttery shortbread dough using all the basics, rolling it out about a ½ inch thick. Then, with a juice glass, she cut these out and baked them until the bottoms were golden. After these cooled for a bit, she topped each cookie with some caramels that she warmed in the microwave, along with a bit of water, which made it spreadable. Like these couldn't get any better, she finished them with some melted chocolate chips mixed with a touch of shortening, which gave it a nice shine. Simple, decadent, and sinfully good. You see, with each bite, you get the buttery texture from the shortbread, the ooey-gooey pull from the caramel, and the richness from the chocolate. To get your hands on these, don't try to reach through the TV, but rather go to our website and look for what we call chocolate caramel cookies. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a doubly, or maybe a triply good way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.